Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jing here from Authentic Energy. So today we're going to show you guys this very cool Herbalife meal plan. It's more like a Herbalife meal plan builder. So a lot of you guys know that, if you are on the Herbalife program, their products, you're actually, you're supposed to follow a meal plan, a meal plan that's set by your coach, your Herbalife coach, your distributor, right? And if you don't have the meal plan, there is a way for you to actually, create your own based on, your information and also your goals. Okay, so I'm going to show you this really neat tool that's released by Herbalife. It's been around for a while. So if some of you may be familiar with this tool, this, meal plan builder, some of you may have never seen it. Okay, and I'll show you guys in a second how you can access this tool. Okay, so if you ask your Herbalife coach, they may be able to get you a copy of that. Okay, so I'll show you what this meal plan builder looks like. Okay, now, so it's very simple, just a few pages. And basically what it does is that it starts with your height and your current weight. Right, so you can see that we have A, B, C, D, 4 different meal plans already preset here. And then here we have 2 charts, men and women. Okay, so for women, you can see there's like, 4 different, 3 different zones. And for men, there's like 3 different zones as well, different colors. And we can just go by simply looking for the numbers that match our weight and our height. So for example, if you're someone that's weighing about 160 pounds right now and your height is about 5'5", okay, women, okay, so you can look at this, right? So 160 pounds, for example, and my height is 5'5", so that basically brings me to the green zone here. Okay, so green basically will take you to plan B. Okay, you can see plan B here in green. And on the next page, so what does it mean? What is plan B? So it shows you on the next page. Okay, so these are some of the, these are the meal plans that Herbalife Meal Plan Builder has set for you. Okay, plan B, so this is like the light green, right? Because I realize there's 2 types of green. There's a dark green and a light green. So meal plan B, light green here, you can see, okay, go look for your goal. Okay, so if your goal is just to maintain daily nutrition, keep yourself healthy, you don't really have any weight loss or weight gain goal, then you can have a look here, what is the suggested daily calories and the daily protein intake. I'm just going to zoom in here so everybody can see more clearly, right? And for a lot of us, we're here to lose weight. So you can take a look at the weight loss section here, which is, on the second row here. So for weight loss, if you fall into plan B, you need about 100 grams of protein a day, okay, and 1400 calories in the day, okay, in order to lose weight. Okay, so this is just a suggestion. Okay, so of course, if you eat around 1400, 1500 calories a day, and of course, given that, these calories are enough to sustain you, your energy, your concentration, your strength, mobility, and everything you need in the day, right, then that's okay. But if you try about 1400, 1500 calories and you feel really dizzy, you feel very weak and hungry all the time, then I'll suggest you not to strictly stick to that calories, and talk to your coach, talk to your Herbalife coach about making that change. Okay, but this is just a suggestion here. So you can see, and like a lot of us might be wondering, like, okay, what does it look like? Okay, what exactly is 100 grams of protein? How does it translate to what do I eat in a day, right? Or like the calorie amount. So I usually ask my students to pay attention to the protein count more. Okay, so if you look at how like here it breaks it down into breakfast, snack, lunch, 2 snacks, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it roughly translates to like 20 grams of protein from your morning shake, from your breakfast shake. Okay, and then you can have a protein-based snack, in the midday if you're hungry. So you want to aim for 10 grams of protein for that snack, right? And then lunchtime, okay, so this is a meal plan where if you want to do 2 shakes a day, 2 shakes on 1 meal a day, right? So you replace your food with a shake, right? So the shake will give you about 20 grams of protein and 250 calories. Okay, so this is an example. And if you're still very hungry, in the afternoon, you can make yourself a snack shake, right? From the protein beverage mix. Okay, so that gives you about 10 grams of protein in there. Oh, actually, well, based on my knowledge and my experience, that protein beverage mix actually gives you 15 grams of protein. Okay, so this is just for reference. And then for dinner, okay, we're eating for dinner. So you want to design your meal to, to give yourself, the remaining protein. So roughly, let's say if we're eating steak and veggies, right, then you would like to get about 40 grams of protein from the steak. Okay, and then your dinner will roughly be about 600 calories. Okay, so this is kind of like an estimate sample, okay, meal sample to show you how you could design your meal in the whole day to fit into, the suggested 100 grams of protein and 1400 calories in a day in order for you to experience weight loss. Okay, so this is actually very helpful when you see everything just broken down in like a very visual way here, right? Oh yeah, and not to mention that there is the healthy weight gain as well, right? Some of you are probably here to find out how to do the weight gain, right? So you basically follow the daily nutrition plan. So daily nutrition plan right here, okay, and you want to add extra Formula 1 shake on top of that. So you do 3 shakes a day for weight gain. I have actually made a separate video talking about weight gain before, so you can check out my videos from above if you want to know more about weight gain. Okay, so after you know about what your whole day meal looks like, now okay, here's the next part, right? You can, like, if you experience with like making your own meals and preparing food, then you can actually go off and make your own based on this. Or if you're like complete newbie, you're like, I really don't know how to make my meal, not to worry. The meal builder also gives you a good guidance here to help you build your meals, right? So if you look at this chart here, the easy meal builder here, it's broken down into 5 steps. Okay, so step 1, start with your protein. Choose from like fish or chicken or lamb, right? And it gives you all these like numbers here already, like the estimate of 25 grams of protein, right? You can get 25 grams of protein if you get about 3 ounces of any of these cooked, right? Or if your goal is to aim for 40 grams of protein, then you need 5 ounces, right? So, and then you add your veggies to it, right? So choose 1 or 2. And then after adding veggie, you want to add your carbohydrate. Okay, so just be very conscious and mindful of like how much carbs that you are having, right? Especially for weight loss. And then step 4 is to choose your healthy fat. Okay, not to forget. Don't ever forget to choose your healthy fat. Okay, we need healthy fat. Okay, not any kind of fat, but healthy fat. Okay, and then number 5, the final step is to dress it, to season them with different types of dressing, like the dressing of your choice. But of course, we also want to focus on choosing the low calorie, the delicious but low calorie dressing, right? And so you can see the options they suggested here. You don't want to go for, it's best not to go for like the prepackaged processed type of dressing from the supermarket. If you can make your own dressing just from like olive oil and vinegar, then that'll be great. That's actually the best. Right. So, yeah. Okay. So that's the one for like meat eaters. We also have one for vegetarians. Okay. You can also, if you're vegan, complete vegan, you can also use this guide because you can just basically ignore the eggs and the dairy, right? And go for like things like beans and tofu. Okay. Tempeh here. So it's very similar to the meat eater meal builder, except that it has, several options to replace the meat and the dairy. Okay. Yeah, so this is like basically, a good start for a lot of you that are completely new to this journey, to the health and wellness and weight management journey. And you can get a copy of this easy meal builder from your Herbalife distributor, your coach, right? If you haven't got one already. And for those of you that are, like you don't have a coach and you really would like a copy of this, so I'll tell you how you can get it with me. So basically anyone that purchased a Herbalife products from me, right? Doesn't have to be, a whole package. If you just buy one shake or like an aloe or protein bars from me, you can actually have a free copy of this meal guide from me, right? So this is how I, share the meal guide with everyone. And, like if you're watching today's video already, I think this video can already help you out, help you find out how you can actually, start designing your own meals, right? So of course, if you want to have your own PDF in front of you that you can like look at it and help you, help yourself design, then, you just need to, go to my website from the description below and purchase a program or purchase a product from me, and then I can share this meal guide with you. So if you purchase a program with me, then you will actually receive another personalized meal plan. Okay, so that's like, the main core of my coaching. You'll get my coaching and the whole meal plan. Okay, not just this guide. But if you buy like small products from me, then, you'll definitely get a copy of this meal guide PDF. Okay, so I hope, my sharing here today is helpful for you guys to know, what's available out there, right? Especially if you're already a Herbalife customer and, you're still feeling very lost and you don't know, where to go and how to design your meal. This meal guide can really help you guys out, right? And yeah, of course, if you guys have any more questions, feel free to write your question in the comment below, or you can reach out to me directly on my Instagram or email me. You can find out how to connect with me all in the description below, how to work with me as well, how to get my coaching or join my team. Okay, so thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you like it, give a thumbs up, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys here again next time. Bye.